G'day, what I'm going to try and do today, just an idea, I'm going to try and make an electric bong for smoking your medicinal herbs. Wink wink. Right, now what you'll need is a battery box. That's the battery box. Take the battery. I'm using a 9-volt battery. And the battery's already in there. You'll need a switch, just an on and off, just straight on off, nothing special, just on off. You'll need, what I'm using is a wiper motor from a 12-volt wiper motor with a up top, the top one is out and the bottom one is in. So, and it's got 2 connectors down the bottom there. You'll need a cork that'll fit in your bong. You drill a hole through right through the middle of it to the other end, and you need 2 bits of hose. There are 6mm, one short, one is about 1 inch long, and the other one's 3 inches long, but you can have the hoses as long as you want. Okay, before I put it together, I'll just show you the basic wiring. It's very basic and the basic setup. So I'll just put some wires together and then I'll come back and show you. You can see the positive from the battery goes to the off position on the switch, and then the on position positive goes to the positive position on the motor, and then this one here, which is negative, will connect to the negative thing there, the negative terminal, and you're all set up. But it'll be different wiring when I put it together, just so you know how it's wired up. Okay, now I'm gonna join the motor to the battery box and the switch, probably glued together. They've all got flat surfaces, plastic, the easiest way to do it. And then I'll show you when it's the final setup. Okay, it's all been wired up. As I showed you, at the back here you've got the pump. Back here you've got the battery box, and they're just glued together. They've got flat surfaces, so I just used super glue. And at the front you'll see the switch is hooked on the side there. Right, and I'll put the 6mm hose already on the outlet, which is the top of it. And then on the bottom, you'll see there's another, where is it? You see there's another outlet right there. That's your inlet. So you stick that in your cork, which is this here. That's your cork. See, the hole goes right through, and it just goes on your inlet. Okay, then I'll be right back. Now we're going to see if it works. Woohoo! And as you can see, now the cork is on the bottom, and now it's ready to stick in the top of your bong. Okay, now it's set up. You can see cork's in the bong, fits perfect. And got the switch here. That's the front. Got the hose. Now we'll see if it makes any bubbles. I've got the shoddy covered up to make some vacuum, so we'll see if it makes some bubbles. Yes, it does. Alright, now we'll try with some tobacco. Now try some tobacco. One last thing, you've got this stuff here. That's the stuff that comes out of your grinder. Don't know what it's called. If someone could tell me what it's called, Keith, I'm not sure. This pipe would be perfect for that because it's the real bastard to smoke. But with this pipe, it'll do it for you. You're welcome. It's just like smoking hash. Now for the big reveal. Let's see if it works. I've still got the shoddy covered up, so let's see. I've got some fire. Wow, will you look at that? Yeah, you could say it works. Now to try it physically. Okay, got it packed again. Now I'm gonna try it, see how it actually smokes. So turn it on, give it some fire. Right there, here we go. Well, yeah, went through pretty good, pretty smooth. Got a head rush, fuck mate. Alright, so there you go. Electric pipe.